Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami spider. I made this model for people who want something cool, but without the need to make cuts or spend hours folding the paper. I know there are more realistic models out there, but almost all of them require cuts or glue and are much harder to make. This one also has a great result, but it's much easier, especially because it uses two squares of paper and both parts start exactly the same way. We begin by folding the paper along both diagonals. Then flip it over and fold it in half horizontally and vertically. Flip it back over and using the creases we made, fold all four corners to the center, closing the paper like this. Once this base is ready, starting on the top layer on the right, let's fold the top edge to the middle. Do the same thing on the other side. Now unfold both. In the next step, we'll need to reverse the folds we just made. There are a couple ways to do this. The first is opening the paper and pushing the middle. That way it automatically flips. You can also open the paper, press it flat like this, and then close it back to the side. Now let's go to the other side and repeat the same thing with the other two. Next, open the paper on this side where you have the triangular layer. Then fold the two small lower edges to the middle. Unfold them. Open the triangular layer. And using the creases we made, Fold both sides to the middle again. Keep folding the paper until the tip reaches the middle. Creating this new corner. Keep this corner pointing up and reinforce it a bit. Then fold that same corner down. You'll need to repeat this same step 3 more times. So, turn the model over and open the paper just like before on the triangle side. Fold the bottom edges to the middle. Then fold both sides to the middle, creating that corner. Fold the corner up. And then fold back down. Now we've finished 2 of the 4 sides. I'm just going to open the other 2. And repeat the same step by step. At this point, we've finished the first piece. And like I said before, both parts start the same. So now we're going to fold the second square of paper exactly the same way. And once both are ready, now we can start on the individual details. For the first one, open the paper on the front side and push this center corner inside. Repeat the same on the back. And on the other 2 sides as well. After flipping all 4 corners, here's the result. Now on the front side, fold both lower diagonal edges to the middle. Then go to the other side and do the same thing. And then do the same on the other 2 sides. Now, just on the front side, Unfold those last two folds and fold them back using the same creases. Once that's done, open this flap on the left and reverse it up. Same thing on the other side. Then on the back we are going to repeat the same, but not all the way up. Try to keep them more or less horizontal. And for now, we are going to leave this part just like that. Let's move on to the second piece of paper. Open it on this side that looks like a diamond and fold the bottom part up. Then bring the center crease down to meet this horizontal line here. Now close the paper by pressing this part flat. This is what it should look like. Do the same thing on the left side. So just fold up. Then bring the center crease down. On the back we do the same thing. Now that this part is ready, bring both two flaps on the front slightly up, like this. Now, pay close attention to the next step. Starting on the left side, fold the edge of the top layer to the center. Also fold this extra paper, aligning at the edge. Now do the same thing on the right side. Now flip it over and repeat the same steps on the other side. Open the other two. And repeat the same step. Open the other two sides again. Then, with the model in this position, unfold the middle layers. And fold this corner back. On the other side, also unfold the middle layers. But this time fold the corner down just a bit more than we did on the other side. Then fold the middle layers again. And now we have the beginning of the second piece. Once both parts are ready, we can fit one into the other like this. And now we have our spider. The final touches are all optional, and you can adjust them however you like. I think it's nice to create some joints in each leg. To do that, just open each one like this. Fold a little bit of the paper inside, creating a gap. Then close it again. Like this. I'll do one more on this leg here. And this is the result. I'm going to repeat the same idea on the other legs. Like I said, you can fold them however you want, but I think looks better this way. We can fit the parts back together. You also have the option to adjust the fangs in the front. And I think that's enough detail already. Our origami spider is ready. If you're able to make it, congratulations. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.